let's make one of the most iconic curry dishes out there, guys. This is curry goat. First, we're going to take our goat and we're going to clean this with some cold water and lemon juice, and then we're going to chop up our veg. We've got fresh thyme, Scotch bonnet, spring onion, and a whole white onion. We're going to throw this into the bowl and then season with some all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder. We're going to use 2 blends of curry powder and pimento seeds. Now, you don't need salt for this because you've got a lot of salt in that seasoning. We're going to let this marinate for at least 24 hours or 12 hours if you cannot be bothered to wait. Once you remove it from the fridge, it's nice and glossy. We're then going to toast our curry powder in some vegetable oil, then we're going to add our goat. We're going to let this cook on a medium heat for at least 20 minutes until it releases its natural juices, and then we're going to add some hot boiling water. We're then going to let this cook for at least an hour and a half on a medium heat until it reduces, and then add our potatoes and our carrots. We're going to top it up with some more boiling water and then let this cook on a low heat for at least 3 hours. Then we're going to add some sweet peppers. This is optional. Let it cook for about 20 minutes and then we're done. Your goat is nice and tender. We're then going to plate up with some white rice. You can use rice and peas if you want, some plantain if you want, and then we're going to add some avocado. Now this is also optional. Then it's time to add your goat. Now I'm telling you guys, oh god damn it was so damn good. That goat was so soft and tender. The sauce was so rich. Guys, you need to try it. I hope you enjoy it.